Hello, everyone. Welcome to Clara Daily English. Let's learn and practice together.
The beach is very peaceful today.
This sandcastle is getting very big.
Yes, Arthur. It is a beautiful day.
The water is so warm and nice. Oh no, my hands are empty. The salt water hurts my eyes. Leo, are you okay? Why are you crying? My goggles are lost. Wait, your goggles are lost? Yeah.
I put them right here. A big wave took them away?
Yes, the ocean took them. I am stuck.
Clara, look. The kids stopped playing.
Are they okay? Leo looks sad.
Let's go ask them what is wrong.
What happened, Leo? Are you hurt?
No, Dad, I am safe. He lost his blue goggles. The wave took them. Oh, Leo.
We'll find them, honey.
It is okay, Leo. Things get lost. Lost in the ocean?
Look over there. We can ask for help.
I am brave. Come on, Leo. Let's go ask. The beach is very peaceful, Leo.
Mia is so brave to help him.
First, I put them down. Then, the wave took them. The wave took them? Yes, the ocean is very strong.
Wow. The tower is very tall. The shade is cool. Let's take a deep breath. I am nervous. Is the lifeguard scary? Scary? No, lifeguards are not scary. They keep us safe.
The ocean is very calm and peaceful today.
Hello down there. Do you need some help?
Yes, sir. We need your help, please.
Okay. I am coming down to help you. Take your time. Do not be nervous.
Hello. My name is Mark. What is the problem?
Hello, Mark. My brother Leo has a problem.
A problem?
A problem?
Do not worry, Leo. You are safe here.
He lost his blue goggles. The wave took them.
His blue goggles? The ocean loves to hide secret things.
Mia, where is he going now?
I have a special box. Let's discover what is inside.
Is it a treasure box?
Let's look inside carefully.
Wow, so many beautiful things.
Are my blue goggles in there?
Wait, are your blue goggles in here? Let me check.
Step 1, breathe. Step 2, be patient.
Yes. Be patient. The ocean returns things. I think I found a small secret.
What is the secret? Tell me.
I can't tell you yet. You have to wait and see.
Look! The blue goggles. They are safe. My goggles! You found my goggles.
Are these yours? The ocean gave them back.
Yes, they are mine. Thank you, Mark. You're welcome, Leo. I am so happy. They are not lost. We solved the problem together. I am proud.
You were very brave to ask for help. Wow. You found them. That is wonderful.
The ocean is full of kind secrets today.
Thank you for keeping our family safe. Enjoy the beautiful water. Stay safe.
They are clean now. Not lost anymore. Put them on, Leo. Let's see. Okay. I will put them on right now. Wow! Everything looks blue and beautiful.
You are a brave boy, Leo. Very good.
Let's go back to our umbrella now.
Goodbye, Mark. Thank you for the secret box.
Listen to the waves. They sound very peaceful.
This is a wonderful beach trip.
Mia! I want to swim in the water now. Yes! We can jump in the big waves.
We are back at our safe spot.
Ella!
You two can go play. Have fun.
I need to finish this big castle.
The water is not scary anymore. Let's run fast. 1, 2, 3, go! Wow, the water is very cold and nice. I jump high. I am very brave. Take that! The water is super fun today. The water feels very soft on my hands. Look up, Leo. That cloud looks very fluffy.
This quiet moment is very beautiful and safe.
The big bird is flying so peacefully today. Let's go tell Dad the whole story now. Yes. Dad will be very proud of us.
This sandcastle is almost finished. It looks strong.
Look, Arthur. The kids are coming back here.
Dad, do you want to hear our story?
Your story? Yes, please tell me the story.
Yeah. First, I put my blue goggles down there. Then, a big wave came. The wave took them. Woohoo!
All right.
Oh no! The wave took them? Then what?
Then we asked Officer Mark. He helped us.
Mark helped you? That is very brave teamwork.
Oh, wow! The wind is very strong suddenly.
Oh no! My hat is flying away fast!
Look! The hat is rolling to the ocean.
Do not worry, Clara. I will get it.
Wait right there, Hat. I am coming now.
The wind is very strong. I must hurry up.
Oh no! Do not go into the deep water.
Run, Dad! Run fast! He is running very fast.
The hat is stuck in the water now. Step 1, breathe. Step 2, get the hat. Yes, it is perfectly safe.
I got it. The mystery is solved today.
You got the hat?
Yes, I got the hat.
The water drops look very beautiful in the sun.
Thank you, Arthur. You are very brave.
I am happy to help. It is a little bit wet.
Wait, just a little bit wet?
The warm sun will dry it very fast.
We are a great team. Yes. Yes, the best team ever. First, I lost my goggles in the wave. Yes. Then, Officer Mark found them in the secret box.
And finally, Dad rescued my flying hat.
The beach is a very wonderful place today.
Now, I must finish this big, strong castle.
Can I help you build it, Dad?
Yes, you can help me.
I will put a shell on the top.
The castle is beautiful. We did a great job.
I am very proud of our strong castle.
It is a perfect day for our family.
Who wants to swim in the water now? Me! I want to swim in the water!
You want to swim?
Okay, buddy! Yes!
Let's all go to the water together.
Come on! The water is waiting for us. So exciting!
The ocean is very safe and incredibly beautiful.
I am ready! Let's swim now, Mia!
Goodbye, safe family. See you on the next journey. Subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff. Stay safe and keep learning.